Hi, today I'm reviewing the Cetaphil Hydrating Gel Eye Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so this Beanie Baby's name is Windsor, and this is for vitiligo. You know what, I was thinking earlier, I should patent or trademark videos where people mispronounce the names of words and chemicals in them. Do you think that's patentable? I don't know. It's kind of my trademark that I mispronounce everything. So anyway, there we go. Gonna need more shelf space. So okay, so recently with everything going on, I've been doing a lot more online shopping, and this was one of them I just saw randomly and was like very affordable, and I think I got it for like half off, so I figure I'd give it a whirl. I'm always looking for a nice eye cream. So let's see. Cetaphil calls this a targeted gel cream, which instantly replenishes the skin, locks in moisture, and leaves the delicate eye area feeling soft, soothed, and refreshed. Formulated with my favorite hyaluronic acid, a powerful moisturizing agent, an essential component of skin, known for its ability to retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water, and a provitamin complex with licorice extract. It's ironic that this product is hyaluronic acid is the big selling point after I just did my video yesterday of why I'm tired of it. So this product's got a lot more good ingredients other than that. So let me just get on to my first criteria, which is packaging. And I'm a fan of the nice squeeze tube packaging. And if you travel, super easy to throw in your little bag and go if you ever travel again. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, it does contain polyvinyl alcohol, which it's not necessarily a good alcohol, like a good fatty alcohol, but it's not necessarily a bad drying type of alcohol. It's a synthetic polymer of vinyl alcohol that functions in cosmetics as a gel-based thickener. It's also a film forming and a binding agent. So like the Bosch has got all those peel-off masks. It's typically used in a lot of those. Some people can be sensitive to it. However, this product, it's not high up on the ingredient list, so there's not as much of it. So it's not a terrible alcohol, but it's not a good fatty alcohol either, so I did not knock them a point for it. But I don't really like to see it in a lot of products, but I kind of get it being in this one a little bit. And in terms of fragrance, this does contain fragrance, which I'm surprised I even bought it because I don't like fragrance in my products, especially in my eye products where if your eyes are sensitive, fragrance can be more of an issue. The fragrance in this one is super light. It dissipates rather quickly, but I still wish it didn't have it in there at all. I don't know, putting fragrance in an eye product, my eyes are very sensitive, especially after I got LASIK done. Thankfully, I didn't have any issues with this one, so I think that does say something, but if you still have very, very sensitive eyes, it might be better off to pass on this one. The manufacturing location for this one is Montreal, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So comes out kind of like a silicone look, and it smooths over nicely. They say apply a pearl-sized amount around eye area and smooth in until absorbed. It absorbs pretty quickly and no issues, and it does kind of that silicone-y texture it has to it, kind of smooths out the eye area. They recommend using it morning and evening. However, in my morning routine for eye products, I just prefer to use the Cosrx Snail Peptide Eye Cream. And I can use that over my entire eye area without it affecting my makeup. This one didn't affect things too much. However, if you apply a sunscreen over it, it has a tendency to kind of seal everything else off, so things didn't quite set over it well. So for my evening routine, I don't care as much about that, but for my morning routine, I just didn't find it to work as nice as some other eye creams. And I like with the Cosrx one, I just apply it all over my eyelids and everything. This one, I didn't apply it over my eyelids because of the fragrance, and your skin around your eyes is so sensitive anyway, so worked well around my eyes, but not over my eyelids. Does that help? I don't know. Most people probably don't even need it on their eyelids, but my eyelids get dry. So otherwise, it tends to layer okay with most other products for the most part. So very easy to use, and it does kind of give skin a smoothed out appearance, which is nice. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one, we've got a pretty impressive list. The first 8 ingredients of this product are all slip ingredients, so nothing exciting there. But after that, we've got niacinamide, which is great for brightening the skin. Sodium hyaluronate, not my favorite ingredient, but it's a hydrating ingredient, so. Then we've got vitamin E, good antioxidant as well as hydrating ingredient. Purslane, great skin-soothing antioxidant. Crithmum Maritimum extract, which is another skin conditioning ingredient, which doesn't show up in a lot of products, but licorice root extract, green tea extract, grapeseed oil, green tea seed oil, meadowfoam seed oil, vegetable oil, bisabolol, which is bisabolol is a good soothing and antioxidant ingredient. Then we've got serine, alanine, and glycine, which are amino acids, which are a moisturizing ingredient. They also help as water binding ingredients and help hydrate the skin. Then we've got mistral, palmitol, oxtoceramide, arcamide, MEA, which is a technology, MLE technology, and it's a pseudoceramide, which is hair conditioning, skin conditioning, hydrating ingredient. I think I might have pronounced all that right. We'll see. Let's see. And then we've got biotinol hexapeptide 2, which is an ingredient formed by the reaction of biotin and hexapeptide 2, and it is a good hydrating ingredient. So for an eye cream, it's got a good list of a lot of hydrating ingredients and some good antioxidants as well. There's a few of those that can trigger acne-prone skin, which I'll talk about in a second. So CeraVe is not cruelty-free because they're sold in mainland China. Performance, it leaves your eye area feeling soft and hydrated, absorbs pretty quickly. Because of the nice texture, I prefer to use it in my evening routine because I just don't find it works as nicely in my morning routine. I didn't have any sensitivity. I will say my eye area tended to look a little bit brighter than it tends to, probably because of the niacinamide in there. Ike! No, Ike's checking out the Beanie Babies! You can't do that, Ike. He has got his eye on there, and I have a feeling one of these days I'm going to leave the house, I'm going to get back, and they're all going to be gone. That's just my feeling, so. Okay, so a few acneogenic ingredients. We've got vegetable oil in there, which is always, whenever I see vegetable oil in a skincare ingredient or product, I'm always like, vegetable oil, I cook with that. You know what I mean? Dimethicone, glyceryl stearate, cetearyl alcohol, and stearic acid. So there's quite a few. Ike is still, he's planning his attack on the Beanie Babies, I think. Hi, Ike. Ike, do you want to say hi to everybody? Come here. Hi, oh, there we go. What a good face. Yeah. Although I think he was doing something naughty, digging, because he's got dirt all over his little snout. Yeah, but you're a good boy. Okay, so price. So this is the full size, which is 0.5 ounces, and it retails for about $12, which is a bargain. Because there's some eye creams that are like 100 or more. So this one's a really good deal. And a tube like this will probably last 3 months, I would say. Then we get to the it factor. I like this. A lot of good beneficial ingredients. Very affordable. I wish they would have left out the fragrance. It would be a lot easier for me to recommend this to everybody if this were fragrance-free. Because recommending an eye product with fragrance is just kind of a recipe for disaster. Because some people will be too sensitive to it. Especially the thin skin around the eye. Also, the fact that it's not cruelty-free doesn't make me super excited. I do like the ingredients in it. Overall, it's pretty darn good. But I can't get past that fragrance for the it factor. For an eye cream should be fragrance-free. I think most of us can agree with that. So, overall, on a scale out of 10, this gets a 7. And maybe I should compare it next time to the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Do like a versus. That would kind of be interesting. So. Anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this out yet, and if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.